So how do you add a text to your favorites on the iPhone? And let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this. So of course, you open up your messages where all of your texts are. And the way that it works is that you can actually just swipe on the image or hold down on it for more options, and you can see a couple of different things are going to show up. But the option to like make it favorite is literally the pin option. So when you click on a pin, it will open it up at the top, so you can see that you have like your regular message threads below, but you have a couple of like favorites at the top. These are not really like favorites, but these are pins. So you can call it however you want, but that's how you can do this. Of course, you can hold down on the message thread again and click on unpin, and it will return it back to the original list of the messages, which is sorted by the latest message, right? So the whole point is that you pin at the conversations which you return like regularly to, so you don't have to go through the list manually, and you always have quick access to those particular people. So that is actually very useful. You can pin multiple different conversations and you can organize it that way. So I would really hope that I have helped you out with this. You can also click on edit and click on edit pins, and this gives you like even quicker way to access it. So yeah, let me know what you think about it below. Most definitely subscribe for tutorials and videos like this, and I'll talk to you soon in the next tutorials. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.